Alright, hello guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about possible snowfall for interior New England as well as some portions in the more mid-Atlantic regions. More on that as we get into the video though. Before I would start the video, I would ask that you would please subscribe to this channel if you do enjoy weather-like content. I do live streams as well, a lot of forecasts and everything, so if you're into that type of video, please consider subscribing. Also consider liking the video if you do like the video, that way I know what you guys want to see. I also made sure to make a Twitter for you guys. I announced that in the live stream yesterday, or was it the day before? I don't really know. But it's at Prime Patriots, and that's going to be on the screen right there if you want to follow that. And I'll be able to make more of nowcast type forecasts, which is, forecasts that are very, very short range on that, and also just other weather related stuff. So if you guys wanted to check that out, that'd be super cool too. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Looking at the GFS model as we walk through two of these models here, you can see those deep blue portions in West Virginia. That's more of the mid-Atlantic region I was talking about, where we might be able to get some snowflakes there, as well as southern New York, interior New York, close to the Pennsylvania border there. We also have another region, as well as the Tug Hills, that area. Green Mountains of Vermont, getting in on some of that. Also the White Mountains and north of there in New Hampshire and Vermont and Maine. So those areas look to be our primary chance for seeing snowflakes here. And as we look at the FV3 GFS test, which is an experimental model, we see this like to bring snowfall through, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and a lot of interior New York. Not a lot's different in New England, except for south of those Green Mountains in Vermont stretching into Massachusetts. I don't really buy this a lot at all, but we certainly want to take it into account as we're, seeing how good this model really is. We want to, put it on the chopping block, see if it's actually going to be competitive with the European model. And this is a new graphic by me. I just call it the weather graphic just because it's, the weather types and everything. I want to know what you guys think about this one because I want to try to implement it in more of my videos. So leave a comment down below what you think of this graphic. You can see there's thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms, rain in two varying intensities, icy mix in two varying intensities, and snow in two varying intensities. Let me know what you guys think about this graphic if you want me to use it more. We see these green areas in here. That's where it's going to be all rain. The pink regions is where we might see some snowflakes trying to mix in. It says icy mix up there, but really we're not looking at sleet or freezing rain risk here. It's only snowflakes. Usually the air temperature has to be right around or below freezing for sleet or freezing rain. This time around, the air temperature at the surface is going to be above freezing, pretty well above. It's that upper atmosphere air that's going to be really below freezing. That's how snowflakes are going to make it, all the way down to the ground. Probably no accumulations here, or little if any. So those pink regions, that's what we're dealing with, some snowflakes trying to mix in for some of the day. The blue regions is where probably the snow will beat out the rain, where there will probably be more snow than rain throughout the day. That's, again, Saturday, tomorrow night through Saturday. So this is basically all day Saturday. So those blue regions include the Green Mountains, White Mountains, some portions of West Virginia, as well as some portions of New York down there, again, close to the Pennsylvania-New Jersey border. Here's our snowfall chances. This is for snowflakes, not for snowfall accumulation. Keep that in mind. We have a 30% chance down there in that West Virginia portion, as well as in that white. You can see that is 10%. Also seeing that close to the Pennsylvania-New York border, like I said. Seeing some of that blue and that deep blue. That deep blue is 50% plus, which means anything over 50% chance of seeing snow. The Tug Hill region getting in on some of that blue, that 30%. Then the Green Mountains and the White Mountains are really where you're going to get that 50% plus. This is mainly for high elevations where you're going to see the biggest chance for seeing snowflakes here. Even some accumulations in those areas will only last briefly. But you can see portions of Maine, pretty much most of Vermont, and a lot of the northern half of New Hampshire getting in on that good chance at snowfall. And here's your accumulation forecast, 1 to 3 inches down there for West Virginia. 1 to 3 inches there for the Tug Hill, and a little tiny area of 1 to 3 inches, again, near that Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York border. The Green Mountains of Vermont and a lot of the mountains in Vermont getting a chance at 1 to 3 inches, and then the White Mountains of New Hampshire. That's really your only chance there at accumulation, and these are some pretty small chances, really going to be on the low end of that 1 to 3 inches. Might even be a little bit below 1 inch if there is accumulation, but mostly mountaintop areas going to have your good chance at 1 inch plus. So we'll have to keep a close eye on that. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys have a great day.